I'm gonna check if uh Harish, don't mind the link that I'm sending in Discord. It's just so I can send it to myself on my phone. I mean, it is a live stream link. Harish, don't mind the link that I'm sending in Discord. It's just so I can send it to myself on my phone. Okay, that works. I mean, it is a live. Harish, can you boot up the server? Ah, okay, good. Okay. Is it really lower? That's weird. Try and recreate it. Okay, this is looking a bit weird. Harish, in the far config, can you like enable persistent brushes? It it means that I don't have to like type out my brushes every time I log in. Nope. I did it on my server, but I don't have that server anymore. Just gonna redo that. Oh, in the far config. It should be somewhere in there because if you enable that, then it stores the brush stuff as an NBT tag. Yes. I'm just gonna reload it real quick. Okay, good. Brush cylinder. See, Harish. Now it does this. Like if you're looking at the stream. Yeah, and it also puts it in the lore, so you can actually see what it does. Okay. Beetle. Okay, send it to me as well. Power tool / undo. Okay. Ooh, Dropper 2. It reminds me, we have to play Diversity, Harish. I don't know who that guy is, but his sound was annoying, so I muted him. Microsoft account or? Yeah, but not really. I mean, it could be one file that is corrupt in the world, and if you delete it, it'll recreate itself. Like, I kind of just decided to back up my entire multi-MC folder, which is like a gigabyte or two. I don't really have that many worlds. Like, I made a GitHub for my resource pack that I use for DvZ, and also for my DvZ maps that I built, just so I don't lose them. You know what? If I showed you the RMM service file size, it'd be something in like 70 gigs. Oh no wait, no wait. The limit is 70 gigs, but like each backup was like 20 gigs, which is annoying because like if you update the mod pack and you have to like forge, reload and stuff, it makes a backup again. But if you don't have enough space, well, fuck you, your server won't turn on. Oh no. Anyway, then why are you complaining? Isn't there a little song like Rain, Ray, Go Away or whatever? I mean, he sounds like a kid. I don't know who was playing Top Gear. Harryish. Do you actually know how to build in like Victorian London era? Okay, good. Oh, because well, you're gonna build it. I ate sausage with potato and applesauce, like chunky applesauce. I don't like the smooth kind. It's like a really classic, meal here in Belgium. Sausages with applesauce and potatoes. Ja, saucissen met appelmoes. Allee, kompot. Yeah, Benelux gang. Like in this case, Harish, like the mountains will be like uh tall and like steep as fuck. Hmm. Oh, are they seriously ghost blocks? Well, that's his problem, not mine. Yeah. I don't like it either. Students. I don't study. You know Zespri Kiwis. Oh. Shield. You know Zespri Kiwis. Kiwis for Zespri. I work in the factory. In Zeebrugge. No, it's so underpaid. Server sizes. Oh, well, let me check. Let me check for RMM. Mm-hmm. If Oh, here. The world backup is like 12.4 gigs. But like that doesn't include Dynmap and stuff. Oh, if there's one thing that I hate, it's like setting up Dynmap. Doctor, there's a texture issue. It shows black. Oh no, it was me. It was I that was complaining. Yeah, um, like who is actually the owner of TLR? Ah, we've got some players from TLR on RMM. But when like the story of how I became an admin on RMM is pretty funny actually. So here I was playing on RMM and I wanted to build a Temple of Time from The Legend of Zelda. And here I was like building, and at some point Harish was just building stuff in creative. And I was like, can't I do that? And sure, and he gave me OP. And then I started building my temple in creative, but I noticed that it didn't render on Dynmap. And in between that time, I suddenly got moderator in name only. I got operator status, and he just made a rank called moderator without any permissions. And here, you're moderator now. But then I got access to the console, just in case to restart the server. And I was like, Dynmap, okay, let's try and see what the issue is. And it took a month to fix all the shitty issues with Dynmap, and I think Dominic loves me now. Because his rail yard or whatever, Birmingham yard, Burnham, sorry. Like, it was all black, like, nothing rendered, and then I fixed it, and he was like, thank you. And then Harryish gave me admin. Or it was like, yeah, you can make yourself admin, it's fine. Forestry is a shitty mod, and it doesn't work with Dynmap. Oh no, the issue, like, Forestry also has an issue with world edit. Like, you could, like, type out the exact block ID for, like, I don't know, Maplewood. I don't know if that's Forestry. Yeah. Yeah, so the issue is, like, I got the initial fix for Dynmap using Dynmap Block Scraper, and that kind of fixed most things. But things like forestry, railcraft, they all don't play nice. Carpenter blocks, yeah. Like, I don't know what I did with carpenter blocks, but I think that I think I just, stopped them from rendering. Like, I went into the config of the Dynmap, and for the Carpenter's blocks thing, I just set it to, like, air instead of rendering redstone, but it doesn't really work. But the thing is, I managed to fix it for, like, the natural clouds, so they don't render because it's, like, ugly on Dynmap. Oh yeah, but they were, like, rendered already. Like, we already had a significant world size before from Natura. Let me check what Natura version we're using. Uh, I mean, I am streaming my map making, so okay. Natura 2.2.1a2. Oh god, please don't talk about burlers. Oh, I also like fixed stuff. Like, the spawn was really ugly, and then I, like, tore it down entirely. Like, I blew everything up and rolled at it, and Dom was, like, panicking me, messaging me, "What the fuck have you done?" And then I kind of made spawn less bad. Like, it was, and, like, we had, like, two guys helping, and one of them, I mean, he got builder without my consent. So, like, basically Dominic and Harris were like, yeah, sure, you can have builder. But I didn't really agree because he doesn't really know how to build. Ah, it's heal. Ah, okay, good. Like, Tony... Oh, yeah. Like, in case of mod pack updating, like, Harryish has to do it because if Dom tries it, we kind of have a server outage for 2 days. No, seriously. We were updating the server, and then some, and actually everything was updated except for the magical crops update that I kind of forgot about. But then some douche decided to, like, grief using Miner's Dream. So, like, I banned him, and yeah, Core Protect's database was corrupt. So I couldn't really, I couldn't really rolled back. I couldn't really roll back. I fixed the issue with the database. I just deleted it. No, it never does. Like, so, oh yeah, like, oh bye. Anyway, so I was like, oh yeah, sure. Wait, we'll fix this, and Dom just decided to um roll back the entire server. But then he also was like, oh, I can update the mod pack, sure. And he also did the magical crops update, which he didn't do correctly, which kind of caused every magical crops item to disappear. Yeah, Draconic Evolution. Ah, well, it. Oh, yeah. So anyway, like every magical crops item was gone, which is bad because I use magical crops with agricraft to like make essence and BOP and everything, and that was all gone. So I set up this. I set up this 100 by 100 field just to upgrade all those seeds again. Uh, yeah, agricraft basically takes anything that is a seed, and you can upgrade it if you know if. Oh no, the plants are messed up because they're basically just four four crops that like you would place them on dirt, but inside crop sticks. So if the yeah if the no, it basically grabs the texture from the magical crops block. Like the only thing that agricraft does is scale them down and put like four in the same block. And like agricraft's config is so broken. Yeah, you can, but why should I? Like, I'm gonna say that it doesn't fit for RMM because it's ridiculously OP. Yeah, agricraft is. That's the issue with Draconic Evolution. There's fucking Draconic Essence in magical crops. And let me tell you, like I built like a cache storage for like each crop, and it holds like 640,000 items. It was full in 2 days. I can basically sell a stack of essence of whatever kind at $10 in the shop, and I would still make a profit because like I'm not even paying for anything. Like I have solar power for like my energy, and I just use the agricraft's irrigation system to like speed up growth for crops, and boom. Mm-hmm. No, uh, odds are that I've heard of it, but it's not in RMM, so I don't really. No, that's a bit of an issue. Oh yeah. But like, I don't like to complain about my fellow Go server owners. Like, I'm not an owner, I'm just an admin. But like, Dominic makes these decisions that I'm thinking, like, why? Like, he's the one that wants to have all spawn, despite it being like such a hassle for a server to run. Like, it constantly lags everything and yada yada yada. Like, people are requesting Townie. Oh no, no, we're not. I don't want Townie. Like, Dominic doesn't want to update to 1.12, like, in case TC5 is released for 1.12, because he doesn't like 1.7 plus. That's 1.9, but he's perfectly fine staying on like such an old version that it's so annoying. Like, and one of his Harish, yeah, and one of yeah, that. Oh no, it's fixed. Never mind. Anyway, so like he doesn't want to update like beyond 1.7, and if they're like, but new blocks, new features, like, oh, but mods won't be updated for like past 1.7, and I made a list of like the first 30 or 50 mods in the pack, and like 95% of them are updatable to 1.12. And he's like, yeah, but oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Like, and for the argument of new blocks, like, I can just use chisel, he says. Dominic. I mean, I true on that point, but it's like he doesn't want to update beyond 1.7 for RMM. No, even if TC is at 1.12. Oh yeah, and oh yeah, he also doesn't want it because of the PvP. Like, he said, if you can find me a mod that like identically. Yeah, no one. Yeah. Like, he was like, if you can find a mod that can identically replicate PvP from 1.8 or 1.7, then I might consider. But it has to be frame accurate, you know? That is that that is no surprise that you have nuclear weapons. Oh, by the way, like, one mod that I know isn't in 1.12 is Carpenter's blocks, as far as I know. Yeah, Like, I would so love to use chisel and bits. Harish, do you want to host your own server? Nah, save up for your own machine first. Who does? Dude, what do you think I do? I also have a job in real life. Oh no. Me neither. Oh no, I don't. Dominic says a lot. I have a late shift tomorrow. And I, like, on the one day that I am expecting a package, like, I haven't gone to work, like, for the entire week. I haven't been called. But, like, the one day that I am expecting a package, I have to work. You know what the bad thing is? Like, the package label with, like, the parcel number and the tracking, that has been made on the 11th. No, the 10th of October. But the package itself has not been shipped yet. And it comes all the way from the Netherlands. A Halloween costume. Yes. But the thing is, the show no, the store. Oh fuck. Headset. Yes. Hi. Can you hear me? Okay. The store that I buy that stuff from is usually really quick with their deliveries. But they did mention, like, on the checkout, like, earliest delivery will be on the 21st. But it's just weird that I haven't actually shipped it yet. DPD. Yeah, it's international. Like, the UK has it, Belgium has it, Netherlands has it. Like, usually things shipped from the Netherlands go via PostNL, which is like the Netherlands' national postal. Yeah, and they're pretty good. They're pretty good. But in this case, it's, oh no, even then, like, it's pretty quick. But, like, DPD. Oh, Not for Brexit in this case. But I don't like DPD because, like, they're extremely vague on what they do. Hey Harish, do you want to see me smooth stuff? This is gonna look so terrible. Is it that one? Yes. Gonna check if my stream audio is still, because fuck. Gonna check if my stream audio is still. Okay, my microphone is still working. Okay, desktop audio is also working. Good. Yeah, but like I'm not streaming via Discord. Okay, time to smooth this shit out. I mean, I could paste the link in voice. Like I'm building a map right now, not doing anything TC related. Is my bitrate too low? Oh yeah, it is a bit low indeed. Take care. Oh, bye. Hmm. Okay. Fill bedrock. 20. Um, there's a brush. Um, oh, brush height. Brush height, radius 5. 1. Eh. Okay, good. No, it's not that one. Hmm. Shape brush. So, oh, okay, why you no work? So, oh, sphere. Ah, here we go. here? Okay, I think that's enough. Getting a bit tired.